Imagine stepping into a facility where precision engineering and sheer speed come together to produce one of the most debated consumer products in history: cigarettes. For centuries, tobacco has played a role in cultures worldwide, from rituals to recreation. Today, it remains a global industry, employing millions but also sparking heated discussions about health and societal costs. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes at one of the world's largest cigarette factories. You'll see how raw tobacco transforms into neatly packed cigarette cartons using cutting-edge technology. But before we begin, it's crucial to note that this video does not promote smoking. Instead, it aims to educate about the process and encourage informed decisions, especially considering the health risks associated with tobacco use. Tobacco use traces back thousands of years to the civilizations of the Maya and Aztecs. In these societies, tobacco leaves held ceremonial and medicinal significance, often used in rituals to communicate with the divine. The practice of smoking or chewing tobacco was deeply embedded in their cultures. When European explorers reached the Americas in the 16th century, they encountered tobacco for the first time. Enthralled by its effects, they introduced it to Europe, where it gained immense popularity. Initially marketed as a medicinal plant, tobacco was believed to cure headaches, alleviate stress, and even ward off diseases. By the 19th century, cigarettes emerged as the most convenient way to consume tobacco, becoming a symbol of modernity and social interaction. However, as scientific research uncovered the severe health risks associated with smoking, attitudes began to shift. Public health campaigns, stricter regulations, and cultural changes aimed to curb its widespread use. But the cigarette industry remains a giant in the global economy. Our exploration starts in the fertile fields of North Carolina, one of the largest tobacco-producing regions in the United States. Tobacco farming is an intricate process that demands both traditional expertise and modern technology. The journey begins in the spring when skilled workers prepare trays filled with nutrient-rich soil. Tiny tobacco seeds, which are smaller than a grain of sand, are evenly spread across these trays using advanced seeding machines. Once prepared, the trays are placed in greenhouses. Here, controlled environments ensure optimal growth conditions for the seedlings. For 7 weeks, these tiny plants absorb sunlight and nutrients, growing into vibrant green sprouts ready for the next stage. When the seedlings are strong enough, they are transplanted into open fields. Sophisticated machinery handles this delicate task with precision, ensuring each plant is placed at the correct depth and spacing. Over the next several months, the plants grow rapidly, reaching heights comparable to a 6-year-old child. During this time, farmers meticulously manage their growth, trimming off flowers to direct nutrients to the leaves. Growth inhibitors are also sprayed to maintain uniformity and enhance leaf quality. By midsummer, the leaves turn a rich yellow, signaling they are ready for harvest. Cutting machines sweep across the fields, carefully extracting the plants while preserving their integrity. These freshly harvested plants are loaded onto trucks and transported to drying facilities, marking the end of their journey in the fields. At the warehouse, the harvested tobacco undergoes a crucial transformation: curing. This process enhances the leaves' flavors, colors, and textures, making them suitable for cigarette production. Tobacco leaves are spread across large drying chambers. Underneath the floors, wood fires generate consistent heat, gradually curing the leaves over 5 to 8 weeks. This slow process is vital for achieving the desired tobacco characteristics. Once dried, the leaves are compressed into square bundles using powerful pressing machines. These bundles are then shipped to cigarette factories for further processing. The real transformation begins at the factory, where automation and precision come together to produce millions of cigarettes daily. When the dried tobacco leaves arrive, they are sorted based on size, type, and quality. Each batch is inspected to ensure only the best leaves make it to the production line. Leaves that are too dry are lightly steamed to restore their flexibility, preparing them for the next stage. Stripping machines separate the leaves from their stalks, ensuring only the tobacco leaf material is used. These stripped leaves are then blended to create specific flavor profiles, which vary by brand. This blending process is a well-guarded secret, as it defines the unique taste of each cigarette brand. The blended tobacco is shredded into tiny, uniform pieces. This fine cut ensures the tobacco burns evenly when smoked. In the next phase, the shredded tobacco is turned into cigarettes at incredible speeds. Modern cigarette-making machines can produce up to 20,000 cigarettes per minute, a testament to engineering innovation. A continuous sheet of paper, up to 7,000 meters long, is unrolled. Tobacco is evenly spread onto this paper, which is then tightly rolled to form a long rod of tobacco. The rod is cut into cigarette-sized pieces. Filters made from cellulose acetate are attached to one or both ends, depending on the cigarette type. Tipping paper, a specialized material, secures the filter to the cigarette. Each cigarette undergoes rigorous inspections to ensure it meets strict quality standards for size, weight, and consistency. The finished cigarettes are then bundled into small packs, typically containing 20 cigarettes each. Foil is used to seal the packs, locking in the tobacco's aroma and freshness. These packs are then wrapped in protective plastic film. Packs are organized into cartons or larger boxes, ready for transportation to distributors and retailers worldwide. Modern factories are adopting environmentally friendly practices to reduce their impact. Recycling materials used in packaging, reducing energy consumption with advanced machinery, implementing waste management systems to handle byproducts responsibly. The health and societal impact of cigarettes. While the manufacturing process is fascinating, it's impossible to ignore the darker side of cigarettes. Smoking is a leading cause of preventable deaths worldwide, contributing to diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and respiratory illnesses. Public health campaigns aim to educate people about these risks. From graphic warning labels on cigarette packs to smoking bans in public spaces, significant efforts are underway to reduce tobacco use globally. The journey from a tiny seed to a finished cigarette is a blend of ancient tradition, agricultural expertise, and cutting-edge technology. While the process is impressive, it serves as a reminder of the profound impact cigarettes have on health and society. If you found this journey informative, please like, share, and comment below. And remember, the best choice you can make is to prioritize your health by avoiding tobacco use. For more explorations into the world's most intriguing industries, subscribe to Captain Discovery today.